This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an aloe vera recipe. Before we begin, it is crucial to select the correct type of aloe. Use only Aloe barbadensis Miller, commonly known as aloe vera, which is safe for consumption. Carefully wash your aloe leaf under cool running water, ensuring all dirt and debris are removed. You will want to dry it thoroughly with a clean cloth before moving to the next step, setting the stage for a delicious and healthy preparation. To extract the edible gel, first trim off the spiky edges along both sides of the leaf with a sharp knife. Next, slice the leaf horizontally into segments about 2 inches long. Stand these segments upright for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the bitter yellow aloin, a latex, to drain out completely. Then, carefully fillet the skin from one side, using a spoon to scoop out the clear, gelatinous inner gel, which is the part we will use for our recipe. Let's create a refreshing aloe drink, perfect for a warm afternoon. Take about 1/4 cup of your freshly prepared aloe vera gel cubes and combine them with 1 cup of cold water in a blender. Add the juice of 1 whole lime, about 2 tablespoons of honey for sweetness, and a small handful of fresh mint leaves. Blend these ingredients until the mixture is smooth and the aloe is fully integrated, creating a wonderfully unique beverage. Consuming aloe vera can offer various wellness benefits, including aiding digestion and supporting skin health, though individual experiences may vary. You can enjoy this drink immediately, perhaps over a few ice cubes, or chill it in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours for a cool treat. Experiment with adding different fruits like berries or ginger to customize the flavor to your liking, making it a versatile addition to your healthy routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.